Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Analytics 4 for affiliate tracking step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Sign in to your Google Analytics account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Start for free to create one. Once signed in, click on the admin gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the admin panel, you will see three columns: Account, Property, and View. In the Property column, click on the drop-down menu and select Create Property. Fill in your property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose your currency. Click the Next button after entering the property details. In the next menu, provide information about your business. Select the industry category that best describes your business type. Choose the size of your business from the available options. Click Create to proceed to the next step. Review and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement and Data Processing Terms. Once you've accepted the terms, you will be directed to the Setup screen. Here, select Web as your platform to track. Enter your website URL and choose the appropriate stream name. Click Create Stream to finalize your web data stream. You will now see a screen showing your measurement ID. Make a note of this measurement ID as you will use it for your affiliate tracking setup. Next, go to your affiliate marketing platform and log into your account. Find the section to add or edit tracking codes. Paste your Google Analytics measurement ID in the relevant field. Save your changes on the affiliate platform. After saving, return to Google Analytics. Click on Real-Time in the left sidebar to verify that data is being collected. Visit your affiliate links on your website to ensure that clicks and conversions are being recorded. Monitor the data over the next few days to ensure accurate tracking. Use Google Analytics reports to analyze the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Consult the help documentation on Google Analytics for advanced configuration options if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.